Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Tuesday and then today, Wednesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green lines and the orange line there is coming from. What I'm going to do, because of that gap down, it's clearly making the chart a little bit harder to see. So I'm just going to move it all the way over here, and you'll see that that makes things easier to see. So the big dynamic that happened today in the world of kind of trading jargon was we got the trend line breakout. So this morning the price actually gapped up above the trend line, which is that orange line there, pulled back, and then a nice little back test of the trend line right there. And after that back test right there, you can see the price started to work its way back upwards before slightly pulling back for, the remainder of the day. But overall, got the trend line break. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But I'm sure if you have, you've seen, things where the trend line breaks and then all of a sudden it goes right back below the trend line. But that wasn't the case here. Now, did it explode upwards? No, it didn't explode, but at least maintain the gains. And sometimes, that's much more important than, making some sort of explosion to the upside. So with that all being said, what I'm going to do is this level here has served its purpose. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up just from a presentation, standpoint. I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So move this up here to denote one of the newest areas of support. And that's right there at $6. And $6 is certainly going to be the ideal level. I mean, if you're to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay up above 6. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 6, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But at that point, would definitely want to see it hold up above 580. Because if the price doesn't hold above 580, then things start to enter into kind of no man's land in a sense. But as of right now, things are doing a good job of holding up above these levels. So again, preferable level that you want to see the price hold above is 6. And then the next level after that, 580. What about some of these newer areas of resistance? As of right now, the key battleground going forward is going to be right up here around, give or take, $6.40. So $6.40. I realize the price didn't quite hit it this afternoon, but there's also some other times back here where the price actually went up above it. So I'm just splitting the difference there and finding the middle ground. So $6.40, public enemy number one. If the price can get a good solid high volume break of $6.40, then I don't think it would be very shocking at all to see it potentially go up and test the 660 range, which were the highs from this, from the opening 30 minutes today. So overall, though, nice movement. We'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.